Okay, guys. Actually, I'm talking about Maya. She has complained against you, and let me see that. How do you protect yourself of her questions? Have you any sentences? She has complained against you. What would you like to see? Speak about that.
Actually, sir, when I was eating momos in Anda Chowk,
Don't copy him. Actually, it is his story, and he will tell about that.
stop it.
No, not stop it. Try to protect yourself by the sentence. There is no preparation. Now let me check that how do you present yourself.
Okay, when I was starting in the spoken class, then she came in front of me and she asked, "Do you completed your structure?
Did she speak like this to you?
How did you completed your structure?" Then after that, I said her, "Yeah, I completed." So she said, "You can ask me question in your structure wise."
So in this sentence, I don't think that she will complain against you. It happened something wrong with you. That's why it happened.
Yeah.
But you are telling me the story. Yeah, you are speaking. Yeah, also.
Yes.
My actually tell me what happened. Why did you complain against him?
So actually, when I came in the class and I asked that you completed your last task, then he said that no, and then I saw his copy. Then really he not completed his structure. Then I said to him that why didn't you complete your structure? Then he said that I have no time. Then I asked that,
Means he talked with you with arrogancy.
yeah. And when I said to him that let's complete your structure, then he started abused me that why I'm complete my structure. And
Am I your servant that you are talking like this to me? He spoke like this sentence to you.
yeah.
I will take your class after 2 minutes. Let me see Vipin how is presenting. Vipin,
Yes, sir.
she has also complained against you. Ashish has still told me the story, but have you any story about that? Why did she complain against you?
Actually, I ate momos. Then Maya Didi is also come, and Maya Didi said me, "You give me momos." Then I said, "I didn't give you momos." Then he said, "I complained, sir. I complained, sir. You eat momos with your abusing friend." That's why Maya Didi said, "I will complain you."
Oh, only by this incident she's complained against
Yes,
you.
sir.
But I don't think that she will complain by this incident. Sanket, what am I hearing about you? She has also complained against you, and which type of sentence will you use for this to protect yourself?
Sir, that time we were attending our friend's wedding and a wedding party. So, sir, when we were attending that party, we were that
Try to try to speak that.
we were click we were clicking some pictures.
So was she there also?
Yes, sir. We were clicking some pictures with our friends. So by mistake, I was coming their photo. So that's why their pictures was not clear, and they are
Means her picture
claiming-
was not clear.
Yes, sir.
And she
Then-
became angry that why did you take my picture clearly?
Yes, not clear. So
Only for this she has. Are you satisfied with her with his answer?
No, sir.
So what is the story? Actually, you tell me.
And suddenly, when we were in the party, and I'm just standing behind of him, and he didn't see me, and suddenly he turned, and
It turned up that,
yeah, and
he pushed you.
then he started that, hey, why are you standing here? You are you blind that
Can't you see?
Can't you see?
Who called you
Then-
here as a guest?
I speak very softly that, hey, I am not doing this like
Means I have understood
on
that
purpose.
he
I'm
did
not
a
doing
misbehave
it
with you.
on purpose. It's just a
An incident.
incident that he became angry on me, and he started abusing
But
me.
what is the reason that you have complained against him to me? Only for this incident you have complained. And what is the Bipin? Bipin, just listen reason of Bipin. He's saying that you are demanding momos from him and he didn't give you. So you become
not
angry only for momos.
Not only for momos, but sir, whipping anytime. Anytime he abusing me and badly he used bad words for me that Madhur is duffer and mental. He had no didn't complete the her
But don't you think
structure.
that before saying like this, he always use the first, then he speak the first. First he
But
speak the.
yeah, sir, anytime he speak the, but he use bad word also.
So for this you have complained against him.
Yes.
Okay, guys, I'm ready to listen your complaints, but Maya, I have a suggestion for you, because they are your classmates, so you should not. I think you should not be angry with them, and I think you should talk with them politely, because they are the only person who can give you company to speak English. Are you agree with me?
Yes.
So say sorry to all because you have complained against them, and you also say sorry to Mayadi. Say sorry to her. You also.
Sorry, Madhuri.